नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं हूँ आरजे शगुन यहाँ मेलबर्न से। और आप जैसा कि मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं IFFM, जी हाँ, मैं यहाँ प्रोग्राम लॉन्च में आई हूँ कंसुलेट जनरल ऑफ इंडिया में। और यहाँ पर बहुत सारी अनाउंसमेंट्स होने वाली हैं, इंफॉर्मेशन मिलने वाली है। किसके लिए? जी हाँ, इंडियन फिल्म फेस्टिवल के लिए। तो आपको जो भी बाइट्स देखनी है, सुननी है, जो भी आपको वीडियोस देखने हैं एक्सटिंग्विश्ड गेस्ट के जो यहाँ आने वाले हैं, मेलबर्न में पधारने वाले हैं, उनके लिए आपको देखना पड़ेगा रेडियो मनपसंद and tune into all the bites and listen and watch all the awesome videos of Indian Film Festival in Melbourne continuously. Thank you so much. नमस्ते नीतू जी, नमस्ते। आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक। ये 15th ईयर है आपका। इट्स अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट एंड यू हैव बीन रियली ऑसम थ्रू आउट and since you started your journey 15 years back, since then there are so many challenges you have. So what has been the best part when you are connected with IFFM?
The best part is the community, you all, the community of film lovers, how the festival brings everyone together the way it should, the wonderful filmmakers who make time and come for the festival, the film stars who bring their magic with them, the incredible new voices, the genres that we present. So it's a very exciting time and it's a true privilege to bring the festival to you. This year the festival is on from 15th August, from 15 to 25th August. We have over 65 films playing. Please go to iffm.com.au for all information.
We are completely connected and thank you for talking to Radio Manpasand. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I just begin by giving you all a big warm hug and a big warm thank you for being with us in this beautiful journey right from the start. Before we begin, I just want to have a quick recap of these beautiful 15 years that we've been together, with lots of milestones that we have shared together at the largest Bollywood dance class led by Malaika on the song Muni Badnaam Hui. In 2013, we celebrated 100 years of Indian cinema, and it was very relevant because we opened the festival on the exact day that the first silent film Raja Harishchandra had screened, and it was quite poetic because we screened Raja Harishchandra at the festival on that day. We also launched the Yash Chopra Cinema with our wonderful partner La Troupe. In 2014, we opened the IFFM Awards, which, as you know, have gone from strength to strength since then. In 2017, we were delighted to win the City of Melbourne's theme is All Our Voices. Our wonderful volunteer Isabella was the one who came up with the theme, and it really encompasses what the festival is all about. It's all our voices, all of us. It's up from 15th to 25th of August, so please mark your calendars, ensure that you're with us those dates. As you know, the first day, on 15th August, Independence Day, we are at 55 Collins Street for the press conference. We have a media accreditation process that Payal will take you through at the end of the event. We have our opening night at District Docklands, and I'm very, very happy and quite emotional to say that our opening night film is My Melbourne, which is a film made by our wonderful team here, local emerging creatives. These are some of the film nominations. All of it is on our website, iffm.com.au. And like we said, the tickets are on sale right now. The QR code is right there, so please, I encourage you all to spread the word, get people to buy the tickets and support the awards night, because it really does celebrate the best of Indian cinema, the best of cinema from the subcontinent, and also a lot of our local talent. On 17th August, we are celebrating Independence Day. Thank God we are back at Federation Square. And as always, it will start at 11, and we have performances by local talent, local groups, which we are very excited to present to you. By and in conversation with the legend, Dr. A.R. Rahman, Grammy, Oscar winning musician, the maestro. The festival is incredibly excited and proud to welcome him to our festival this year. And he will be having an in conversation about his life, his career at the Edge. Followed by our hugely popular star Ram Charan. We only got the confirmation at NGV the next day. And then from there on, for the rest of the week, we have heaps of special screening and Q&As that we are very excited, where the directors or the teams are going to be there taking your questions and presenting the film to you. We have the world premiere of the film Little Thomas, which is a beautiful, heartwarming film, and the lead actress Rasika Duggal, who is incredibly popular, and the director will be in attendance. Followed by Mrs. Mrs. is the Hindi remake of the classic The Great Indian Kitchen. We have 4 wonderful hosts, Kishwar, Aarti, Sharon, Mithila, who will be hosting Refam Bari. And the whole idea is to have a wide array of creatives who can come, be a part of Refam Bari, and winning music composer and producer. Very excited to welcome him to the festival. The legendary actor Ram Charan, who is going to be here for the first time, and Adarsh Gaurav, Arushi Sharma, who's one of the leads in our film, Imtiaz Ali. We have the most remarkable lineup of directors coming this time, which I'm super excited about. Kabir Khan, Karan Johar, actor Laksh from his film Kill, which is playing in cinemas right now, Malaika Arora, Mitch Dambo, the incredible indigenous singer, Nag Ashwin Reddy, who has made India's most visionary and expensive film, Kalki, also playing in cinemas right now, Nora Fateh, Oni, Priyanka, producer of Kalki, Rajiv Masand, Raju Hirani, Ram Sampath, Rani Mukherjee, Rasika Duggal, Rima Das, Shujit Shorkar, Sona Mahapatra, Swapna, and Vikrant Masik.